Let's see how to create a landing page in Wix for new users. Now, let's click Get Started. To sign up, you can enter your email and password or automatically connect to your Google or Facebook account. After signing up, this page shows, asking you who are you creating a website for. You can choose any of the two options. Next is what's the best way for you to get started. If you need assistance, click the step-by-step guide. If you already know Wix, you can choose You're Ready. And you can also choose to explore by yourself. AI can help you build your website, but for now, let's set up without AI. You can always choose what type of website do you want to create for a landing page, whether it's a store, portfolio, or many more. But for now, let's just have a simple landing page. After that, you'll be directed to your dashboard. It will then ask for the name of your website. Once you're done, click Continue. Then, you can mark what are the goals for your site or just press Skip. For this site, I'm just going to promote bookkeeping services and only needed one page. So let's just click the Skip button for now. We're in the dashboard again and just click Let's Go button. Our goal here is to create a landing page, so let's get started by clicking the Design site. Now we can choose AI or template to design our page. For now, let's choose template since I like to look at different templates for my website. As you can see, there are so many templates here to choose from. If you're not sure what to pick, you can always view pages and not editing it yet. You can check if it's a great page to start. And if you're so sure that it's a perfect page, then you can click Edit this site. Now, you can proceed editing your site. You can always zoom in and zoom out your site using this button. Now we can change its content into our own. And in this button, we'll see all of the pages and menus. But for my page, I won't need all of these, so I will remove the other pages and keep only the home page. To delete the other pages, let's click this business button right here. Now in here, let's start deleting by clicking the three dots at the right side of the page. You can just click Delete. Same process for other pages we don't need. Assuming we already deleted all of those other pages, let's check the page button. Now you see there's only one page remaining, and it's home page. And now we'll change other contents in this page. You can type whatever you want, whatever comes out of your mind. I mean, it's your page, and you own it. In here, you can write about yourself or about this website. So let's just change some of these because it's just a sample after all. You can put descriptions or details about you and your service here, but let's do it later. Now let's change the picture. You can always upload your image in Wix. When you click Upload Media, this appears. Then you can start uploading your pictures. But to remind you, this is just a sample, so I will get pictures from Wix. Wix has many photos to choose from. You can search and browse for more. After we've picked one, let's click Change Image. Now, we just need to adjust the name and change it also. Then let me show you how to add text from Elements button. There are many elements in here needed for your page, not only the text. You just have to drag it, and you can now write some text. Now let's edit the other parts. For this part, let's change it to our services offered. I'll just copy and paste the number since I have 4 services in mind. I will then change the text to my services. I'm going to arrange this for a moment. I'll change it to number 4, and you can also change its color. You can now change it in any way you prefer, and to make this text in front of the number, you can always click the layer icon here and put this text down, the number. The rest is just arrangements, so I'll speed this up. You can also follow what this template recommends you. And if you have any nice feedbacks on your service, you can always put it here. This element is a slide, and you can always go to Elements button and search for slider there. And then you'll see this feature. And since I don't need this, you can delete it by clicking it and then backspace. Now, you can add your address and context here, and then I'll change this last one. And when you press the Let's Chat button at the bottom right, you'll be directed to the dashboard, and in the inbox of Wix, it's where you'll have conversations with the client. Also, if you want to change the background of your strip, you can click the quick edit, and there you'll see how to change backgrounds. The strip is located in the Elements button also. Now, once you're done, you can click Publish and see what it looks like for people to view your site. Now, as you can see, this is now our published and finished website for people to see. In addition, when you're in the dashboard, you can create a landing page by clicking at the side of the Wix and click Create New Site, or you can go to all of your sites and click Create New Site. So that's how to create a landing page in Wix for new users. See you soon!